Self-myofascial release of the TFL. Bringing your foam roller to the outside and upper portion of your hip. Lay on your side on the foam roller. So put your hip on it to rest. Come down to the elbow that you need to hold yourself up with. Lean forward and roll along the top portion of your hip. You can feel the TFL muscle right along the outer part of your hip. If you try to turn your knee in, you'll feel it pop up right there underneath where my thumb is. So lay on the foam roller on that muscle and rock back and forth. If you feel a spot that's uncomfortable, you can take the back leg that the foam roller's on and you can lift the foot off the ground to put a little more pressure in through the muscle. This is a very small muscle. It's only 3 or 4 inches long, so go easy with it. But that is foam rolling the TFL.